every track day that you come to, you'll always find, oh shit me, helmet's just come undone. Turn in. Whoa. That's so loud. Hello and welcome to another episode of Geared, and today you join me at Donington Park where we'll be going out in Liam's Clio 200. I've never driven a Clio 200 before, have driven 182s and 172s around the track, but this one is going to be different. There's a couple of tweaks with it, so I'm looking forward to this. So let's go and have a word with Liam and see what he's done with the car. Liam.
Alright.
How's it going?
I'm alright, are you?
Yeah, Sam, thank you.
Good.
So, Clio 200.
It is.
How long have you owned this?
I've had it about 3 years.
3 years, okay.
Yep.
And you've done a few bits to it.
I have.
So engine wise, what have you done to the engine?
Engine wise is standard, but it's been matched by Irish tuning leads, running 205 horsepower.
Nice. And what's been done for it to produce that?
We've got a KTEC 41 manifold into a Scorpion decat non-resonated exhaust. With a KTEC induction kit.
Okay, so not really too much engine wise.
No.
So chassis, what have we done to the chassis?
Just Bilstein B14 coilovers.
Yeah, and brakes?
We're on PBS pads and Mtec groove and coated discs.
Okay, so they're the standard calipers, are they?
Yeah,
and they 4 pots?
Yeah.
Brembo 4 pots.
Yeah.
Nice one. And tyres, what are we running?
We're running Federal 595 RSRs.
Yeah, okay, so nice and grippy.
It is, yeah.
Interior wise, we've got bucket seats.
We've got Corbeau clubsports.
Yeah.
Stripped out in the back and a white line rear brace.
Okay. So nice and stable. Does it corner well?
It does. It's alright for it is. Yeah.
Nice one. So Liam, when I actually arrived at Donington today, guess what he was doing? He was cleaning the car. Go on, what was you cleaning the car with?
I was cleaning my windows with interior cleaner. Picked up the wrong bottle.
So a bit of a show pony, is it?
Try to be.
Try to be. No, it does look mint, mate. And you got a 106 Rally.
I have. Yes. You got to get that in there.
Yeah, I've got to get that in there, mate.
Yeah.
So 106 Rally. Do you track that?
I have done one track day, and that was my first track day at Alton Park about 4 years ago.
Okay. And how does it compare to this?
It's a completely different kettle of fish. It's because it's an older car, there's no assist or anything on it, so you've got to sort of like drive with it, but you can feel more of the track in the Rally.
Okay.
But it's less power as well, so you can sort of concentrate on your line a bit more, if that makes sense.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
So with these 200s now, you can pick them up pretty cheap, can't you? What sort of price are we looking?
3 years ago I paid £4,000 for this one, but it's dropped now. You can probably get a good one for about 2.5, 3.
That's a cheap car to just, I mean they're pretty reliable, being a Renault, but they're alright. You can just spank them around the track most of the day, and they're very good out the box, aren't they?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, and manual gearbox, you've got a proper gearbox in it.
Yeah, no DSG in these ones.
Yeah. Fantastic. Well, we'll nip out in it then.
Okay, yeah.
Nice one.
Yeah.
So Liam handed me the key, and I was like, I thought it was an MP3 player or an iPod or something. Right then, Renault Clio 200 or RS 200. Let's see what you like. So every track day that you come to, you'll always find, oh me, helmet's just come undone. That's so loud. it's better than a Honda out the box. I'm sorry, Honda guys. Now Hondas, you gotta work, like with Civics, you gotta spend some money on them to get them to this level. This hasn't had too much done to it, and it is planted. Turning's really nice, balanced, so composed. You chuck it into a corner, and it is completely flat. So light, because you're not travelling as quick, you got so much more confidence in a car like this. This is why Renaults are so underestimated, because they're so good at chucking it into a corner, 70 miles an hour, not a problem. Top end of fourth. Lights on the brakes, turning. Whoa. Now when you hit it off the limiter, it really launches you forward. For a few grand, you could just chuck this round the track all day. And Renault parts are quite cheap to come by. I know they're not, as I said, they're not the most reliable. I think the Hondas really start coming in, because sorry, someone just spun off in front of me. And that's where Hondas really come into their own. Like, these engines are really highly strung, and to get more power out of them, it takes quite a lot of money. These RSRs work really well on it. Obviously, they're quite a soft tyre, RSRs. Really good, cheap semi-slick, and they're proper semi-slick. But they work well, and they grip, which is exactly what you want. So we'll go out with Liam in a second, and let's see what he can do with the car. It's so loud. Them brakes are mega. gearbox, I think honestly Renault's just have got it. You got to spend on a Honda, whereas you haven't really got to spend too much on a Renault to get it up to such a good level. And the only real downside to it is just really right towards the top end of the rev range on them. You feel it's straining just a little bit, it just needs a little bit more oomph at the top. Are so good, he's handling it all fine. Oh dear. Jacko's just come on. Yeah, proper good car, really impressed with that. And it's a driver's car, you gotta use your throttle, you gotta use a clutch, you gotta ram it into gear. And I think driver's car, nail on the head. This is right up there, you've really got to drive it, and it's so rewarding when you get it right and it's flows nice throughout the track.
Synchro in third.
Really going?
Yeah.
So they're quite renowned to having synchros and gearbox issues, aren't they? These,
it's one of the bad points.
One of the bad points, yeah. Liam, thank you very much.
No worries.
All right. And I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did like it, please like, comment and subscribe. Give Liam a follow on Instagram. I'll leave his Instagram up here and down below. So I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.